Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you a very interesting medley vegetable recipe which is so easy to make, so colorful and aesthetically pleasing to the eye. You will see how everyone is eager to eat it when you make this dish. If you have the masala paste ready, this dish comes together in no time. Let's see how it's made. Come on. First off, we will make the masala paste and we can make it and keep it in the refrigerator for about a week or so. Once the onions are nicely fried and golden, we will add in the desiccated coconut and fry until it turns golden. Add in the garlic cloves and fry for a minute. Once it cools down a bit, we will grind it to a fine paste with some garam masala and just a little water. Perfect. Let's make the main dish. Once the oil heats up, add in the mustard seeds and allow them to crackle. Then the sesame seeds, asafetida and curry leaves. We will add in the prepared masala paste and cook it until oil separates. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Keep cooking and you will see the oil separate. Add in the turmeric, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder and cumin powder. Mix well so all the flavors merge. Here I have slit the baby eggplants crisscross on opposite sides. Do this to all the eggplants. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I keep posting every week. We will saute so all the eggplants will get covered with the masala. Just adding a little hot water. See how they have all got coated with the masala? Now these are washed red and white baby potatoes with skin on. Toss them along with the eggplants. We will cover and cook on low flame until the veggies are slightly cooked, checking in between. Wow, looks great already. Now we will toss in the pearl onions with their outer skin removed along with the cherry tomatoes and some jaggery to balance the flavor. Give a good mix and add in some green chilies. We will cover again and cook the veggies for 5 to 8 minutes on medium flame. Oh wow, look at how beautiful this looks. The veggies are perfectly cooked but still retaining their shape. A final garnish and we are ready to serve this vegetable medley. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. Bye.